Hello, and welcome to Doosan's virtual booth here at the UAV Expo 2020. I'd like to take a second to thank everyone here for joining our virtual session. I'd like to give a special thanks to Kyle and Fran and everyone at Doosan who have been working around the clock to help drive innovation in our industry. My name is Edgar Munoz, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Aeronyde Corporation. At Aeronyde, we believe that forging strong partnerships with respected industry leaders is essential to the growth and prosperity of the global UAV industry. This is why we are so excited to have the esteemed privilege of announcing Aeronyde's global partnership with Doosan Mobility Innovation. Today, I'll be going into more detail on that partnership and Aeronyde's offerings as a UAS managed service provider. Together, we're working to build tomorrow today. As a MSP, we rely on groundbreaking technology developed in collaboration with our reputable partners, which enables Aeronyde to provide the highest quality of service to our clients. This commitment to excellence led us to form an incredible partnership with Doosan Mobility, or DMI for short, and integrate their world-class technology into our full-service, multi-purpose platform. To start, DMI's DP30 fuel cell system is proven to provide long endurance flights of up to 2 hours and have a high degree of reliability. This provides 6 to 10 times more productivity compared to most drones that fly for 20 to 30 minutes. To accomplish this, DMI leveraged Doosan Group's experience in the fuel cell business by using reliable parts that have a proven record of success powering hydrogen vehicles. Also, DMI has developed a robust global hydrogen supply solution for users like us to ensure that if we have hydrogen where and when we need it. And if there's a problem in the field that requires us to need a replacement of the DP30 power pack or hydrogen tank, they can make it happen without causing delays or headaches. Their process is fast and simple. Hydrogen fuel cells are the best power source to achieve truly green technology with zero emissions. To top it off, the noise level of DMI's hydrogen fuel cell drone is much lower than other engine-driven hybrid drones since it generates no noise other than the sound of brushless motors in operation. The DP30 has 10 times the lifespan of traditional LiPo batteries, making them much more durable and environmentally friendly. DMI guarantees 1,000 hours of operation for each pack. This is especially crucial for us in shortening our downtime to maximize the use of each of our vehicles, which gives our pilots the ability to collect more data per mission, enabling us to generate and deliver more reports quicker to help our clients finish projects faster. To take advantage of all the efficiencies of DP30, Doosan developed the DS30 UAV platform, which is a SUAS that can fly up to 2 hours with 10 pounds of payload. This is absolutely incredible. The communication on board is based on LTE, giving our pilots control of the vehicles regardless of distance, as well as monitor their status in real time. In addition, the DS30 can automatically return to home after completing beyond visual line of sight missions and stop over at nearby landing points or return to his home point when the remaining amount of power is insufficient, helping to guarantee a safe flight experience. Talking about safety, the DS30's intelligent flight control system allows the UAV to maintain a safe distance from things like sagging electric transmission lines, and its powerful obstacle avoidance capabilities help the drone dodge any unforeseen obstructions that may present themselves. Additionally, hybrid batteries provide redundancy to enable emergency landing in the event of operational problems. It doesn't stop there. DMI has the ability to adopt and integrate an array of multiple sensor and platforms that fit our customers' needs. Together, we envision that this technology, accompanied with our service, will benefit many North American industries such as energy and utilities, oil and gas, public safety, emergency response, agriculture, and package deliveries for the future of automated beyond visual line of sight operations. Today, we are focusing on inspecting and monitoring transmission lines, critical infrastructure, and oil and gas pipelines. Tomorrow, we plan to integrate the DS30 platform with our revolutionary Skynest intelligent UAV nesting system to enable automated beyond visual line of sight operations. With longer flight times, a smart flight path algorithm, and an intelligent UAV nesting system, we can inspect and monitor more land areas safely while delivering the data our customers need quicker and more efficiently than ever before. Now that I've shared some information about our DMI partnership, here's a bit more about Aeronyde. Aeronyde's proprietary drone as a service solution helps providers automate and inspect and maintenance processes, significantly reducing costs, improving safety, and yielding more accurate data faster than ever before. Our new SkyCrew platform is a turnkey SaaS solution for our commercial operators. The platform brings together hundreds of FAA licensed pilots and drones, enabling your data to be delivered to you in one centralized platform. We designed SkyCrew in an effort to consolidate essential drone operation tools and services in one solution. This platform was created to support the growth and safety of the UAS community, to connect our SUAS operators as well as other 107 remote pilots with air traffic control and air navigation service providers in order to enable mission-critical information flow across the USS network, and to promote shared situational awareness among global unmanned traffic management participants. SkyCrew's user interface empowers our pilots to plan missions, manage equipment, view flight logs, check weather, track projects and customers, and most importantly, safely access the sky to conduct commercial drone operations from anywhere at any time. We believe that the key to safe and successful drone missions start with a great education. Aeronyde's Academy offers tutorials, quiz materials, and a library of valuable information to keep our pilots' skills sharp and knowledge up to date. In 2018, the FAA selected Aeronyde as one of only 14 Lance UAS service suppliers. This gave Aeronyde the authority to get instant FAA authorization to fly small, unmanned aircraft in controlled airspace across the nation. It also gave us the authority to get other pilots outside of our organization that same authorization to fly in controlled airspace. With SkyCrew, pilots can check NOTAMs, SUAs, TFRs, and even view live air traffic to ensure the highest level of safety when planning missions. One unique feature of SkyCrew is that all missions are tied to a project folder. This way, we can assign specific pilots, equipment, mission sets, and Lance authorization to the correct customer. Once the mission is complete, the data is uploaded to its project folder and delivered to the customer. This way, there's a complete system of record that is directly tied to each deliverable a customer receives. For example, if you're a project manager responsible for monitoring the conditions of multiple sites of transmission lines, you will be able to review the history of each flight, data collected, and reports we generated for each specified project in one centralized platform. Our drone services provide an end-to-end aerial data solution created individually for our customers' needs. We manage the whole process for you, from licensing to insurance to drone flight plans to documentation. Whether you need drone services from the ground up, or if you're looking to improve your current aerial intelligence, our experienced team will help you develop, validate, and deploy your tailored UAV solution, mitigate risk, scale with minimal growing pains, all with the support of our experts who understand your industry. Aeronyde helps rid of all the headache and ensure you gain all the benefits of utilizing drone technology. So what can you expect next from us? To support the ability to automate beyond visual line of sight operations, we will be launching our SkyNest system coming Q2 2021. SkyNest is an intelligent drone nesting system designed to enable persistent BVLOS missions in harsh environments and remote locations. SkyNest eliminates the need for drone operators to travel to the field by automating the charging, dispatch, and pre-flight check processes. This enables pilots to focus on what they do best: planning the mission and piloting the aircraft. We have found that each SkyNest can help eliminate up to $340,000 in excess labor costs annually that are associated with line-of-sight operations. Creating the world's most innovative drone nesting system began with a simple yet powerful design. We were fortunate enough to work with the world-famous Parker Brothers Concepts, who created the NASA 2030 Mars rover to deliver a revolutionary Skynest design. We chose to use an ISO standard shipping container as the foundation for the Skynest because shipping containers are some of the most durable structures on the planet. They're abundantly available and modular, which makes the design infinitely scalable. They're easily transported to any site around the world. And most importantly, using green recycled shipping containers helps Aeronyde do our part to fight climate change and preserve our planet. Talking about our planet and its changing weather conditions, imagine dumping snow and rainwater all over your drone right before taking off. Roof exiting designs do exactly that. This can frequently result in costly mechanical failures that stop your missions before they ever begin. To overcome the major roof exiting design flaw that most other nesting systems suffer from, the Skynest has a side exiting configuration that solves this critical design flaw by having not one, but two side doors which open up horizontally. This side exiting configuration also allows multiple Skynests to be stacked vertically so you can scale operations without wasting real estate or investing in new infrastructure. Skynest is the best way for companies to boost efficiency and enable automated beyond visual line of sight operations. A single Skynest can comfortably nest 2 to 4 SUAS simultaneously and reduce labor costs by up to 82%. Shipping containers are designed to be safely stacked, and up to 9 Skynests can be stacked on top of each other in order to maximize efficiency when land is a constraint. Another great feature is that the Skynest is platform agnostic, so it's compatible with most drone models. This way, Aeronyde can continue to offer our customers the newest and best UAVs, like the Doosan DS-30's UAV platform, without making major modification to our nesting system. When using a nesting system, it's critical to have a reliable internet, especially when natural disasters and other critical incidents occur. That's why we built the Skynest with redundant communication, including the FirstNet 5G network. This way, our team can continuously monitor missions even when other communication systems go down. Unlike many of our competitors, the Skynest is proudly designed, manufactured, and assembled here in the United States. With the help of our partners at SkyCharge, the Skynest leverages the industry's premier charging technology. Drones equipped with the SkyCharge contact kit use an IR lock precision landing system to land directly on the charging pad and begin receiving the highest charging rate on the market, maximizing battery life and optimizing our battery maintenance program. We understand that some missions require nesting systems to be placed in unique and remote locations where a 120-volt electrical outlet simply isn't available. That's why we offer solar panels and standby generator as an optional upgrades to keep the Skynest operating off-grid. We also offer upgraded environmental controls and an upgraded sync to best suit our customers' needs. And remember, the Skynest is remotely managed through Aeronyde's SkyCrew platform, so you always have one centralized location to manage all your data and reports generated for all your projects. We're currently scheduling demonstrations for Q1 and Q2 of 2021 to demonstrate the vast capabilities of our service with DMI's DS-30 UAV platform. If you're interested in having some of the industry's best technology work for your company, then please contact us at info@aeronyde.com today. Thank you for stopping by and learning more about our offerings and our exciting partnership with Doosan. I know we've given you guys a lot of information, so at this time I can open up the floor for any questions.
All right, thank you, Edgar, for a great presentation. So if there's anyone who has a question, please ask.
I promise I don't bite. This is virtual, so we're all here, we're all friends, we're all comfortable. Well, if there aren't any questions, I again want to extend my thank you to the Doosan team. I mean, it is literally 4 o'clock in the morning over there, and they have been going at it for 2 days straight. So that really just shows their dedication, and as well as just shows their commitment to the industry. So thank you guys for that.
Meanwhile, there's a question from Trevor.
When can companies get a demo of the Doosan drone with Aeronyde? Like I mentioned in the presentation, looking to schedule demos for Q1 and Q2 of 2021. You can email us at info@aeronyde.com. You can also contact us through our website. I will personally follow up with you and making sure that we can schedule something early next year.